I'm so thankful to the CACOE brand for sending me this magnetic case so that I can unbox it, show you how it works and how I like it. And I am really liking this phone case. Definitely great first impressions right out of the box. The material feels smooth and silky, not that gummy sort of silicone feeling that you get from some other cases. I was able to pop my iPhone 15 into this case very easily, and all of the tabs aligned perfectly. And as you can see, you can unhook the back ring and use it as a phone stand, either in landscape or portrait mode, which is awesome. And then when you pop the ring back flat, you can actually use this as a magnetic case. So this is a MagSafe case, which I really love. And you can attach anything magnetic to the back, whether it's a power bank or one of those little wallet things, or as you see here, I am demonstrating with a pop socket that is a magnetic pop socket. The magnetic hold is strong and secure, and this is just a really convenient case. It's tough, it feels very protective for my phone without being bulky, and it's also easy to hold the phone by the sides without it feeling slippery on the sides. I also find that while my phone is in this case, it maintains all of the functionalities that it had without the case on it. So I can use the buttons, of course, but I can also charge my phone wirelessly without having to remove this case. So if you're looking for a MagSafe phone case that has built-in phone stand capabilities and maintains the functionality of your phone throughout while it's on, I 100% recommend this case.